This is Mr. Millonte, and for today, we'll discuss rounding off or estimating products, which also includes multiplying with zeros and factors. Let's have a review. What are the parts of multiplication sentence? For example, 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 and 8 are the factors, and the answer 16 is our product. In rounding off the product, we will round off the factors that will multiply depending on the given place value. For example, 456 times 42. Let's assume that we need to round it off to the highest place value. 456 will be rounded off to 500 since the value is 400, and we need to round it up since the next digit is 5. 42 will be rounded off to 40 since the value is 40, and it should stay the same since the next digit is 2. It will be 500 times 40. We can multiply the first digits that we rounded off, so 5 times 4 equals 20. Then let's drop all the zeros from the right that was left. So we need to drop down the 3 zeros next to 20. So it becomes 20,000, and that's our final answer. Even if you try to solve it with long multiplication, the answer will still be the same. Let's have another example. 1,567 times 1,243. Let's say we need to round it off to the highest place value. So, 1,567 becomes, yes, it's 2,000. And 1,243 becomes, yes, it's 1,000. So it will be 2,000 times 1,000. So 2 times 1 equals 2, and drop down all the zeros from the right of the rounded off numbers, so the final answer is 2 million. Another example, 101,246 multiplied by 1,613, and we need to round it off to the nearest thousands. So 101,246 will be rounded off to 101,000, and 1,613 becomes 2,000. So it will be 101,000 times 2,000. We multiply first the digits that we rounded off. So 101 times 2 equals 202. And drop down the remaining zeros from both factors. By the way, the zero in between the ones is not included, so the final answer is 202 million. Let's have a word problem. Kobe played 81 games in one season. He scored 27 points each game. If we are only given limited time to solve the total points of Kobe in one season, what is the best way to get the closest answer? Yes, we can round it off to the highest place value. 81 becomes 80, and 27 becomes 30. It will be 80 times 30. So 8 times 3 equals 24. Then drop down the 2 zeros. Then we'll get the final answer, which is 2,400. That is the total points now. For some of you, you can try to solve it mentally. It was fast, right? If you don't need to get the exact answer, we can always round off or estimate the number so that we can come up with the fastest result. That is the use of rounding off or estimating numbers in our life. Again, I hope you learned a lot for today's discussion. See ya with your next videos. Bye!